everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today my brother and I are in the summer garden again. We are going to be picking a few things that weren't ready in the last video of the summer garden harvest, which I'll link below in the description box. But yeah, we're going to be picking a few things today. And in case you're new here, so Jared and I moved into our house that we're in now last October. So with all the projects we had going on, we didn't really have time to prepare our own garden. So this is my brother and my dad's garden. We helped them plant, and we did a video on that as well that you can watch. I'll link that below too. But we helped them plant this garden, and of course we're going to harvest the vegetables from it as well. And we're also just learning a lot along the way. So hopefully next year we'll have our own garden at our own house. But for now, we are here. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. We're gonna be picking lots of things like tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplant, and some peppers. So let's get started.
Shadows of the morning are crawling on my floor, when I just wanna lie here, nothing less, nothing more. There's raindrops on my window, and I'm going nowhere fast. Behind these closed eyes I visualize what will come and what is past. But mama, turn the light on. Mama, stir me from my sleep. I've been sleeping too long, I've been dreaming too long. I just wanna lie here, but I don't wanna die here. So I'm gonna take my best shot, shot out of bed into the tip top. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams, awake or asleep. Awake or asleep. And so I say goodbye to the shadows as morning breaks to noon. Another day I'm living, another song I'm singing, and I know I've got nothing to lose, but my soul keeps shining. They say that I'm misguided, but I wanna make this move. I guess that you could say that I woke up with this melody in my head, shot out of bed cause I got something to prove. So when I say, mama, turn the light on, understand just what I mean. When I'm asleep I will dream, and when I wake you will see that even as I lie here, thinking where I'll be in 5 years, I know today is all I ever got. I know today will be my best shot. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams, awake or asleep. I realize that the world outside is just a metaphor for these eyes, and even if they out to criticize, I'll deny fear, I'll be right here. I realize that I'm waking up, now my mind is flooded and I'm overrun. But even after all is said and done, I'll deny fear, I'll be right here. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams, awake. I'm chasing these dreams, awake. I'm chasing these dreams, awake or asleep. Awake or asleep. Even when the river stops, even when it all looks different, yeah. Even if I grow up, even if something's missing.
So here's an eggplant that's ready. And fun fact, eggplant, well, some varieties, they have thorns on this green part here and on the stem. And last weekend I was cutting one and I was being really careful not to touch the thorns. And in doing that, I did not pay attention to not cut my fingers. So safety first.
My weakness, reminding me that I was a child, reminding me that I'm coming home. I am coming home. I wanna lay on these old streets. I wanna stay here for a while. I wanna go to where we used to. I wanna do the things that we used to do. 'Cause I'm coming home. 'Cause you are my home. Yeah, yeah, my sweet, sweet home. Oh, my brother's in the backyard. My mama's standing guard. My father's on the boulevard with my sister in his arms. And now she's older, a little bolder. She's still resting on his shoulders so that she doesn't miss a thing. Way above the crowd she sits and sings that I'm coming home. He is coming home. I wanna lay on these old streets. I wanna stay here for a while. I wanna go to where we used to. I wanna do the things that we used to do. 'Cause I'm coming home. 'Cause you are my home. Yeah, yeah, my sweet, sweet home.
We're at the jalapeno peppers, and if you can see, this little pepper has some stretch marks. That's what I call on it, these little marks right here. That means that they are getting ripe. So this one is ready to pick.
I am grown and I'm on my own. I lay these aching bones. It's so nice to know. I wanna lay on these old streets. I wanna stay here for a while. I wanna go to where we used to. I wanna do the things that we used to do. 'Cause I'm coming home. 'Cause you are my home. Yeah, yeah, my sweet, sweet home. I never cared much for the traffic in Midtown.
And here are some other bell peppers. These are, I can't forget the name of the variety, but they're supposed to be different colors. So these are like a purple color. That's the only color that's there so far. And then down here we have some poblanos. I think they may be ready today too. Some of them, they feel pretty firm. Go ahead and get one of these. I love poblanos, they're so good. They have more of like a smoky flavor instead of a spicy flavor.
Trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone. I should have moved on. Don't even know if it's love now. With all this distance, all this time, keep wondering if you're doing fine. Trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. I'm going out of my mind. I'm boxing up shit that you left on my nightstand. I have to admit, this never what I planned. The hoodies, the t-shirts, the handwritten notes, the book from your parents, I never let go. You left so much more than your words and your clothes. So I'm going out of my mind, trying to put you out of my mind. Am I just wasting my time? But it's too far gone, I should've moved on. Don't even know if it's love now. With all this distance, all this time, keep wondering if you're doing fine, trying to put me out of your mind while I'm going out of my mind. I'm going out of my mind. I know I'm in love with the memory. Gotta move on, find somebody to fill these empty spaces, take me to new places, give my heart a break, yeah. I know I'm in love with the memory. Gotta move on, find somebody to fill these empty spaces, take me to new places.
Okay, so now we're in the corn, and just to show you, so when you know corn is ready is when the silk here, it kind of dies off and it's brown and kind of crispy. For example, this one is not ready yet. This one over here, it looks ready. You can tell that's brown and dead. If you're still not sure, you can just kind of feel it here, and if it feels full, then it should be good. So this one's ready.
I'm going out of my mind.
You've been running around in my head. I can't stop drinking about what comes next.
Okay, so now we're gonna be cleaning our corn. So Josh is gonna cut the ends off, and then I'm going to take the husk off and the silk, and then we should be good.
Girl, I dare you to move a little closer, closer. And I just wanna hold you, hold you. I wanna wrap you up in my arms. So make some space next to your heart. Now to take it slower, slower. And I just wanna show you, show you. And even though you're right next to me, it feels like miles in between. You take a chance, girl, I dare you. Move a little closer, closer. Some things are better left unsaid. Let's leave the past in the past, wherever he is. And you got walls built up like Jericho, and I kinda hope that you let it go. Nothing left to do, girl, I dare you to move a little closer, closer. And I just wanna hold you, hold you. I wanna wrap you up in my arms. So make some space next to your heart. Now to take it slower, slower. And I just wanna show you, show you. And even though you're right next to me, it feels like miles in between. You take a chance, girl, I dare you. Move a little closer, closer. Move a little closer, closer. Not in a rush, can't get enough, baby, it's cool. We're doubling down, cause now you're daring me to. Move a little closer, closer, and I just wanna hold you.
All right, so we've got our corn all cleaned. I'm gonna take this home and put it in the fridge to have for dinner this week. Last weekend, we already put up a bunch in the freezer, so I didn't need that much today. I just wanted to close out this video in the sunflower field. My brother planted these on the tractor, and they are so pretty. But thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you next week.
I just wanna show you, show you. And even though you're right next to me, it feels like miles in between. But take a chance, girl, I dare you.